Are we due for a double dip? When you're talking about the future in investing, it's helpful to look at the past. The future doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. We're still down around 9%, rolling 12. It was a bit of a brutal year, bottoming in September in 2022 and then rallying into December. So if we are due for a double dip, what can you do about it? Let's take a look. Let's take a quick rear look at history to see what is possible. Now, these three scenarios are the S&P 500, showing just around the bottoming of the market. So I'm just trying to show the price action on the way to the bottom. So you can see in 2002 and 2003, it definitely wasn't a straight fall near a V shape on the bottom. There's a bounce on the way down. And in 2008, again, you can see there's a bounce. And in 2020, there's another bounce. Now, focusing on the market and trying to predict the future, it's really not helpful, because here's the things about predictions when it comes to large number of inputs, such as the economy. It's sort of like chaos theory and the butterfly effect. When you have all of these variables, it's very hard to make accurate future predictions. And so there are forecasts, but like the weather, forecasts can change. So what's helpful is to focus on something that you can control, which is your own actions. So let's look at what those are now. The thing that you have the most control over is how and what you invest in. And right now, when you're going through a period of uncertainty, you want to be focused on quality in your fixed income. And I do believe that fixed income should be a risk off in comparison to your equities. So it's supposed to be the safe, kind of the brakes on the portfolio, whereas the equity side should be the gas and kind of going for it. And you want to be focused on quality in fixed income, but also quality in your equities. Now, that doesn't mean you have to be super cautious right now in not being aggressive in bargain shopping. But when you are bargain shopping, you want to be getting really good prices of really good companies. You do not want to be getting really good prices for bad companies, because during an economic slowdown, those companies might find themselves running into trouble. And better yet, if you can get paid to wait through quality dividends, good cash flow, it's a beautiful thing. And remember, experience is priceless. I'm Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.